Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today the video we bring you is from our Kali section. It was a request. It's from Kali Heaven and Earth Training Drill. But before we get there, I need you over to click the boxes to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
Okay, our next series is called Heaven and Earth 6. The only difference is our second strike, instead of being high, is going to be low. So the first strike comes in, and in the second strike, they both strike low. Pull back and repeat, and reset. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. So you guys can practice. Keep going, guys. If you like, keep going. So you guys can practice this. Start slowly and then gently bring it up a little bit more speed, and develop a nice fluid pace as you move through this. So once again, now this is known as Heaven and Earth 6. Good job, guys.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.